Guys, may adlaw guys oh. Malhin tag baboy guys, Pikas area guys oh. Shout out no kay Sir Suisa Bim Sanchez, magamit na yung pit-friendly country guys. Baligya to niya si Media guys no. Sir Suisa Bim Sanchez sa Davao de Oro. Sir Humangit po, shout out. Kay Boss Jason Ang, Boss Juan Dakwa o Ikatipunan, shout out no. Shout out po no kay Boss Dongke, Noel Dongke o Dongke AI Services. Shout out po no kay Sibirino Imbail, ya. Kay Boss Mark, kay Boss Glenn Junigo, Boss JBM Hub. Shout out no. Dagan ba dia? Guys, shout out po tanong kay Captain Frank Bahandi. Sigurado ko guys. Ciao, Dudong Vlog guys.